Hello everyone! Welcome to our Chang class. Today's chikahan is all about Facebook. So, let's get started. Hi Design!
Hello.
So, how's your day?
Um, Looking good kay may klase.
Wow, that's great. So,
Yes.
our topic was all about Facebook. Now, my question is, for you, what is Facebook?
For me, Facebook is the most popular apps na ginagamit nato doon.
Yes, the most popular social networking.
Yes, especially in this generation.
Then, my second question is, what is main purpose?
For me, the main purpose of Facebook is to share ideas, share information, uploading photos and videos, and especially to messaging to our loved ones na sa na lugar pwede kita maka-message sa Facebook.
Posting, touch, or connected.
Yes.
Or information can be shared.
Yes.
Then, my third question is, how do you use Facebook?
For me, Facebook, I use Facebook since we have an own account sa Facebook. I use my Facebook for expressing my feelings, my thoughts,
Through posting, you can
yes,
express
through
your feelings
posting, and
through
also
posting.
uploading stories. Yeah. And I used to communicate my classmates, especially to our best friend na LDR na doon since magkuha ng school, magkalala. So,
With many ways to use it.
yeah.
But Facebook is, you can use Facebook their individual needs or preference.
Yes.
Okay. And also, Facebook is simply enjoying entertainment.
Yes, true. Magtanong ka ng mga reels, labi sa mga sikat na vlog. Makagain ko sa
Yes.
kwarta pag mag-vlog.
Now, my last question is, do you think Facebook is a valuable tool for connecting with people? Why or why not?
Valuable. For me, yes, it is valuable. Through Facebook, ang Facebook is easy lang ganyan. So, ikon nga na popular kay grabe ka easy. Makagamit kita bisag way load through data lang. Then, maka-chat ba, maka-message sa mga needs mo na gusto mo i-message everyday. Basta lang our signal. Then, sa Facebook, we have our own privacy. And we have a freedom to express our feelings through posting, sharing. But, it doesn't mean na ari ka na to privacy, dili lang na safe na kita kay ari sa mga makuan pa na information na pwede sa makakuan sa kanato negative kay bali or negative impact sa na Facebook like ma-scam or kuan account ta mabudol, makakuan kita ng information na mali ka di. So dapat pag magamit sa kita ng Facebook, una gid na kita think before we click.
And also double check.
Yes,
before you
double check,
post.
especially kay para makuan pa sab kay di ba tanan mga kuan kay organ mga consequences. So basig aroy yung mga information na to na basa ta wa kinakasaid na kuan lang ka di ang mga eme lang o di tinuod fake news.
It's important to be very mindful,
And
very
very
demure,
demure, yes.
to be mindful of what information you share.